Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to create your real estate business on Wix.com. So Wix is a website builder platform that helps businesses and individuals to create and manage their websites. So the first thing to do is to sign up on Wix.com. Next, create a new site. And Wix will ask you some questions. By answering these questions, you are helping with creation of your own website. So the first question is, what kind of website are you built in? What kind of website are you creating? So we said real estate business, landing page, agency development, agent developer, and you can choose depending on what do you do. So let's choose agency and click on next. Then we have your dashboard is being prepared, and next you have just to fill those little informations. So Wix help non-developers or non-designers or people who don't have any expertise with the creation of websites by providing several steps to follow. At the end of these steps, the goal is to create and prepare your website to be found on Google and to attract customers and to accept online payments and others depending on the website type you are creating. If it's a business, a school, or a service. So here, get your business set up in few steps. What's the name of your business? You can put the name of your business and where is located. Here you put a location, the address. Next we have the working hours. So here we have working days from 2 time zone. Click on next. Here we have services. You add services that you offer. So a real estate agency can do those services like buyer consultation, open house, listing photos, property viewing, property management. We have property financing, property valuation. You can add new service. We have the service name, type, is it class, course, appointment, payment type, paid or free, and you add the location. Then you click save. Next, we have staffs. Let client knows who they can book with, and you will able to add more detail later. You can add 3 or more staff. What else do you want to do in your business? You can also offer virtual sessions. You can link your calendar to assign your appointments. You can accept online payments. You can set an automated email and system reminder. Or you can also manage your Wix account on app and be in touch with your clients. Next, you go back to the dashboard and complete those steps. The number of steps varies or depending on the services, the staffs, and the business detail you add. Here, after going back to the dashboard, you complete the steps. We already completed 4 steps. and they will update your business type, add your first service, set your working hours, and update your staff details. Now we get to the most important thing, is the design of your website. Designing your website with Wix.com is very easy. Wix Editor offers you two choices. The first one is to choose a template, an example of websites, and edit it by changing the text, pictures, headlines, addresses, and questions, something like this. And the second way is in the left here. Let Wix create site for you. So let's just count on Wix and let him do the magic for now. So by clicking get started, Wix will ask you to confirm your informations like here. So here Wix is now preparing for our website. Now see here we have to confirm our informations. You should add logo, the name, the email, the address, the phone number, and some social accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, where you are currently or usually available. So here you pick a theme, clay, high-rise, Sue, indie, classic. So let's choose this one and click on next. Then Wix is going to give us three homepage to choose one of them with different style. Here at your service. So you have to choose depending on what you need. Let's choose this one, a simple one. Next, you have to choose some gadget and pages to add it to your website. So I think I forgot the A. I meant to create Madara website, not Madar. And now I'm seeing this. So you can add about its informations about you, about your website. Here, the buying, renting, guides, the team who can help you. We have selling, the contact, frequently asked questions, testimonials, and we have a code. By clicking on next, we have Wix will gather up all those informations in one place and create a customized made website for you where you can change and edit everything from the name of the company, and you can add some logos, you can change especially everything. That's what make Wix a famous platform and get it all its preferences and community is that you can customize everything about your website. Even if you published the website, you can still make some changes and modifications on the whole website form. So here we are waiting for Wix Editor to add the last pages. And here your website is well designed. After clicking on publish, your website is now online. And to get into business, you will need to go back to dashboard and make your website found on Google and link it to a customized domain. And that's it. Now your website is published under this site. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.